we are more and more exposed to extreme heat. Keeping a minimum of freshness at home becomes essential in summer. We plunge ourselves into darkness by closing our shutters. And we use expensive, noisy air conditioning to help us to remain cool. But did you know that glass itself can present us with a solution? This is an experimental demonstration about how our solar control glass works. Here we have two hermetic boxes. The first one with a classic double glazing. The second one is a solar control double glazing. With the help of a 300-watt bulb, we can simulate the direct heat from the sun through the two glazing. In the case of the classic double glazing, the temperature has risen by 12 degrees in 16 minutes, while in the case of the solar-controlled double glazing, the temperature has only risen by 2 degrees, even after 1 hour. With the solar-controlled glass, the indoor temperature remains pleasant even in the height of the summer. It is then possible to do without the air conditioning and shutters closed during the day, which really increases the level of comfort. You can therefore enjoy a bright and pleasant house, summer and winter, while saving energy and increasing thermal comfort.